Today on 21st Century Business, explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe, a visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions, 21st Century Business.
Every manufacturer needs to be concerned about life cycle cost. Keeping it down means bigger profits. Joining us to discuss how meaningful these issues are in the areas of automation and mechatronics is Mike Knapek, Senior Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Yaskawa. Thanks for being here, Mike.
Thanks, Jackie. I'm glad to be here.
First of all, Mike, what are the biggest difficulties manufacturers have with regard to automation and mechatronics?
Well, automation in manufacturing facilities has a lot of different aspects, but manufacturers really are focused on how do they get the best product performance, production line uptime, and ultimately the lowest maintenance cost.
Well, that makes a lot of sense. Tell us what Yaskawa America's Drives in Motion division does to help customers solve these issues.
Well, we really look at what their issues are, whether it's uptime in their production or is it reliability of component parts, and then what we try to do is take that and convert it into what our products can provide for them to keep them running, to keep them reliable, to reduce their maintenance costs, and ultimately to increase their production efficiency.
So to see Yaskawa products in action, let's go to this 21st Century Business Field Report.
Yaskawa America Incorporated Drives in Motion Division is a U.S. corporation created to provide automation solutions and support to their customers. They are the world's largest manufacturer of AC inverter drives, servo and motion control, and robotics automation systems.
At Yaskawa, quality helps the bottom line in the traditional sense that every dollar not spent on warranty basically goes to the bottom line. We also like to think a quality product delivers a satisfied customer and a loyal customer.
When it comes to quality, Yaskawa refuses to cut corners as they aim to be the best that they can be in everything that they do.
A user can expect about 25% savings using a variable frequency drive machine. Variable frequency speeds the motor up and slows it down, where on a normal compressor it just operates on load and unload.
There are well over 1 million Yaskawa drives in operation today just in North America. Globally, that number rises into the tens of millions in operation today. For 21st Century Business, I'm Steve Michaels reporting.
Mike, why is quality in manufacturing so important to Yaskawa?
Quality is really customer satisfaction. When you produce a quality product, you keep your customers' production lines running, you keep them producing their product, you're actually translating quality into actual profits for them. So quality is kind of the foundation of our company, and it's our main focus.
So what measures are in place then to ensure that you are getting the highest quality?
We do both in-field and in-production quality analysis on virtually every component of our products. So we can look at down to ultimately the screw or washer level of what really that component can do, and if it fails, what that means. So we have detailed analysis to a very deep level on all of our products.
And what do your analyses show you with regard to your quality compared to the competition's?
Well, Yaskawa is definitely recognized as the quality leader in the drives in motion business, and so we always challenge our customers to talk to our competitors and see if they're willing to provide the same level of detail and the same level of analysis. And in general, anytime a customer has done that, Yaskawa has won. Our quality is at maybe a 5 to 7-fold higher level than many of our competitors.
So what can a Yaskawa customer expect then from your manufacturing processes?
They can expect a great value. So from a cost standpoint, because of our volume, our costs are very reasonable. Our performance is very high, but most importantly, when they buy Yaskawa, they're going to buy a product that will allow them to run their production line with virtually no downtime for a number of years. We design our products based on a 10-year life at 80% power, 365 days a year. And most of our competitors do not do that level of design criteria.
Wow. Now, many companies make variable frequency drives and motion control components. So what else makes yours different?
Everybody has a lot of the basics of features and functions. So what we've really tried to do is build in the the lowest cost of total ownership into the product. So once one of the customers installs it, runs it, and it doesn't fail and it meets their performance needs, at the end of the day they get a much better value than they would get from anyone else.
How is Yaskawa building for the future during really these tough economic times?
Last year we moved to a new facility, expanded our production. Even in a down economy, we were able to actually mitigate the downturn by a significant amount, and as the economy has started to recover, our business right now is booming, and we actually cannot produce product fast enough for our customers.
Now, why were you able to do that right in the middle of a down economy?
I think, back to the total cost of ownership, is as we get our products into more and more customers and they see the real value, they then are making those investments even in down times, because they know if they put our products on their production lines, the chances of failure are very low and their ability to produce is much greater, and even though it's in a difficult time, they see the ROI that benefits their company.
Mike, you clearly made your point. In the world of power conversion and motion control, the lower the life cycle cost, the bigger the profit. So thanks for explaining your industry to us. It's really fascinating.
Thank you, Jackie.